What's up, YouTube? Today I'm gonna show you guys these engines right here. Hopefully it turns on. This is the 212 Hemi engine, but I put a non-Hemi head on it with a Mikuni carburetor, and we're gonna see if it turns on today. Everything's on point. I've adjusted the valves and everything at 0.4. So now we got this other engine over here. This is a snowblower engine. I don't know if you guys can see. So it was seized up and everything, and the ignition coil where the flywheel's at had a bolt stuck in it. So we took that out, and at the same time we had to adjust the valves on it. And we're gonna see if this turns on. The governor's also removed on this one. Yeah, G, good. G hooked it up. Let's see. Let's see if we know what we're doing. Yeah. It's the moment of truth. Is the choke on? Yeah. Maybe, yeah, check if you gotta give it gas. Could it be that wire?
Probably.
Where is it at?
Right here.
Yeah, take that out. We had to swap the ignition from the other 212 right there. You gotta talk to her.
Yeah. I mean, you're gonna turn it on.
Yeah. That's how we do it. Stand survive. Check that out, Ron. See that Jose, the real mechanic, man. Woo! Yeah. All right. That's a good job. Now let's check this one out. Let's see if this one turns on. This is the Frankenstein engine right here. Frankenstein 212. If we got two engines turning on, that'd be nice.
Yeah.
All right. On the truth. This thing will take off on me. Oh.
You gotta mount it. Yeah, Seb? You just gotta mount this up there.
I gotta adjust the valves again.
There we go. There we go. Oh. We will cut
What are you
that.
doing? This one's not behaving like the other engine. It's a little bit more wild. It's a different kind of creature. I told you guys, Frankenstein. Come on, man. Whoa,
Oh.
I heard a pop.
Heard a pop.
Whoa. Woo. That's when it hurts your hand. All right, we heard a pop.
So it wants to start up.
gotta mount it on something.
Yeah. Like, hold up.
You know what? Gotta sit on it.
Probably a start. Oh, it did work. That did not work.
That's a bad idea. Alright, let's see. This is a video on how to start an engine on the floor.
On the floor, basically.